Hi there, I'm Jacob from Chair 10 Marketing, and I'm here to talk a little bit about Google's local services ads and why they might be a good fit for your business. First off, what are Google's local services ads, or LSAs? They're a relatively new ad experience from Google that are designed to connect need-based searchers with local service providers in the community. Anybody from plumbers to contractors to gardening professionals, locksmiths, anybody who serves a community can benefit from local services ads. All right, so let's take an example. Sally lives in Seattle and her roof is leaking, so she needs some work done. She doesn't know any roofers off the top of your head, so she goes to Google and searches roofers near me. And this is an example of what she might see on the search engine results page. Above your organic results and your more traditional paid advertising, you're going to have your local service ads. Now let's take an example, a close-up look at what one of those examples might look like. Each of these local services ads is going to have the pertinent information that Sally or other users like her is going to need to make a business decision. It's going to have the hours of business for the company, the phone number, the locations it services, as well as a Google guarantee. Now, the Google guarantee is a pretty significant promise from Google to Sally and all the other users that each business listed has been through a series of background checks and has been approved by Google's legal team. All right, so now that you know a little bit about Google local services ads, let's figure out why it's a good fit for your business. Now, the first reason you should probably consider it is because there's a good chance your competition's already on board. Every time Sally or someone like her is searching for a specific business in a specific community, she's going to be served with 3 local services ads at the top of the page with a link to see dozens more. Now, if you're not up there and if you're not competing for those clicks, there's no chance that your business is driving revenue from them. Another reason why local services ads might be a good fit for your business is because you're paying for each lead rather than each click. And they're all automatically going to be of a higher quality because Google's guaranteeing it. If people are calling from outside your service area or from looking for a service that you don't provide, Google will reimburse you for those leads and they're at no risk to your business at all. It's important to remember that local services ads from Google are not available in every community in the country, but they are in most metro areas and growing rapidly. To find out if local service ads are a good fit for you and are available in your area, reach out to us at chair10marketing.com and we'll be happy to help.